They asked me why the pork belly is so delicious and crunchy. Check out the secret to this amazing recipe. Friends, here I have about a kilo of pork meat for pork belly. And now what we will do is cut the meat just before touching the fat without cutting the leather. We just have to cut the meat. This pork rind recipe was taught to me by a friend who owns a restaurant. It's easy to make and it's super crispy. I am sure you will love the result. We're going to cut it in half to make our smaller pieces. I love this way of making pork rinds. It is healthier than the one they sell ready-made. And that's how it should stay. Now, I'm going to give you a trick to make sure the pork belly is crispy. What we must do is add baking soda, only the leather part, it should not be the meat. Once the bicarbonate has been spread, we will leave it to rest for about a minute. After a minute, we will add enough water to cover our meat completely. Now we will wash it well to remove the bicarbonate. Once the meat has been washed, we will take it to a pot. And let's add 4 cloves of garlic, a branch of green onion, half an onion, salt to taste, half a liter of water. Cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes over high heat. After 10 minutes, we will uncover the pot and we will stir it. Then cover again and cook for another 5 minutes. After the time, we will remove from the stove. And let's season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper to taste. And we will spread well. Now in a pot we will add oil and let it heat up well. Once hot, we will add our pre-cooked pork rind meat. We will let it fry for about 7 minutes. In the meantime, tell me which country or city you are looking at so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. The greetings in this video are for Ernest Rosario who watches us from Australia, and another greeting for Orville D. Hines who watches us from Brooklyn, New York. Thanks for always watching and enjoying our recipes. After 7 minutes, we will turn it over so that it is well fried on all sides. If you have come this far looking at our recipe, that means you are liking it, so leave me the following message below. I love pork rinds to send you a special greeting. Look how golden and crunchy our pork rind looks, it's a total delight. Make this pork rind recipe at home, which is delicious, easy to prepare and super crispy. It is also fresh, which makes it more delicious and healthy. I would like you to rate this recipe from 1 to 10 to see if you liked the result. Thank you very much for coming here. If this is the first time you see one of our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel Gustilo's Recetas for more content. See you in the next friends, a hug.